So today I'm going to show you 7 videos and explain to you exactly why they went viral. However, all of them went viral. The real issue was that some of them went viral for the right reason and converted like crazy, and some of them barely did any money. So the amount of views were the same, the quality sucked. And that's why the conversions were either almost nothing or thousands and thousands of dollars per million views. I mean, very first of all, obviously amazing video. Number one has a really good hook where he's doing this extreme thing where he basically wraps his entire TV around his face. Great. This just shows the complete extreme, how ridiculous it will be to expect a TV being here. But all of a sudden, he actually shows how that is possible. Now, secondly, this is just generally always the case. If you have these prototype videos, it implies that it's something else coming. You clearly see this is the prototype, something else is going to be the good version. So you actually want to watch the full thing. Everything looks super crisp and he has a super nice apartment, and all of these things are not easy to replicate at all, especially considering the animations he had to put in there. Even though this video was really well made and everything was perfect, there was one thing which was done wrong here. And it's going viral for the wrong reason. Because he literally showed himself, and all the comments is just making fun of him because he's gay, because it's like LGBTQ lights, whatever. This video was optimized by Instagram to completely the wrong audience. And keep in mind, the Instagram comment section is ruthless. It's so much worse than everything you see on TikTok usually. Even though this did go viral, I'm almost sure he didn't really make a lot of sales from that because it just went viral for the wrong reason. This was an incredible video. Number one, product is so good. This product is so perfect for TikTok. Why? Because it just implies the before-after effect again. Just by showing, people want to wait and see how it's actually going to look. What is going to be different here? They did an amazing job at showing the contrast by just showing this tape. Such a good idea to just showcase how different it looks. And this should be the main purpose of videos for this product. How strong the impact of the product is for your skin. And on top of that, the tan looks really well done. And here, for a product like this, really important, you need to make sure you understand what the objections are going to be about. People are going to obviously think, all right, maybe I'm going to be too dark, maybe it's not going to look natural, all these things, and you have to cover them by replying to comments and making sure that you solve these objections by showing that that is not the case. This is something which is generally important for product, especially for something like this, where it's very easy to get an objection. It's very easy to think this is going to look like shit. Same thing where like technical specific electronic products where it's really difficult to understand what's going on, how to set everything up, or which things are going to malfunction or something like that, right? Make sure that you understand the objections and handle them before they even come up. This obviously sucks, because maybe even though the clips themselves were not terrible, the reason why this went viral is just because of the comment baiting. Something like this will attract the worst audience which you can possibly imagine. So under no circumstances ever do something like this. And generally, I would recommend not having these customer conversations. Avoid them by all means, because this just targets kids and does not convert at all. Even though this is a really good product because it's a Christmas gift idea, it is just executed so bad, and that's why it didn't work. So number one, what's good about this, it looks really visually pleasing. How he opens this umbrella up is very satisfying. And this is something which actually can make or break your video. Making super satisfying videos, but just having perfect cuts, perfect transitions, and these things is actually sometimes going to make the cut in between going viral and just a video completely flopping. These things matter a lot. And again, prototype implies that there's another product coming in this video.
You guys keep asking how it does break, so I will answer your questions today. Part 69. Mr. Nicotits45 asks, can it fit my shampoo boodle? Yes, it can. Next question. If the frame is so unbreakable, then fit a Burj Khalifa inside. You imbecile, how do you expect me to have JK? Of course it can fit anything. Burj Khalifa can go cry back home now. Goofball99 says, can it fit my balls? Yes. As you can see, a ball fit perfectly. Well, but it doesn't bounce so perfectly anymore. Miss Sukma Dick says you guys should try. Wait, hold on. Sukma? What? Anyway, back to the question. I don't know why you keep requesting watermelon since this is like a 6th one I'm doing, but as you can see, it fits perfectly again. YouTube Shorts Enjoy Your Lollipop says, petition for what?
So don't get me wrong here. This video was very funny, and how he did all these dumb jokes with the comment names, etc. was really good. Now the question is, does this actually benefit the video in terms of making the product look better? The answer is no. People who are collecting things like that are probably not going to care so much. What happens with something like this, it starts attracting the completely wrong audience again, and it goes viral not because of the product, but because the video is so funny. Being funny is amazing. The only problem is that it goes viral to people who are not in the niche. TikTok thinks, all right, let me show it to more people who are not in the niche, because I guess they keep watching and like it. This is something which actually can detract a lot from your niche. And the problem is that the jokes have to be really related to the product that it makes sense. If you sell some sort of soccer product and you make jokes about soccer players or about something specific to the niche, it makes sense. If somebody's name on the comments is Suk My Dick, it's not it. Like, it's not connected to the niche, right? Alright, so this was really, really good. Just how they positioned all of this was amazing. Number one is just showing this disgusting first version of the sink and then showing how you can replace it by something else. Amazing. Then putting in this angle of this is gonna fix acne, and then also starting with like girl something is really good, because usually skincare is a way more girly thing than for guys. And on top of that, generally showing before after pictures when it comes to skin actually is very emotion sparking, because think about it. If you really have bad skin, you feel really related to the before version, and then somebody comes up with showing you how everything changed because of this product. This is a very salesy and powerful video, and that's the reason why it went viral. This is exactly how videos should look like, which are converting like crazy. Just compare this to the video I showed you before. Just think about how much more money this video actually made with the same exact amount of views. So what I can tell you right now is, in the beginning, you just don't know what you don't know. If you make a video on TikTok, you don't go viral, you have no clue why the fuck you didn't go viral. And the reason is because you are doing something wrong which you cannot figure out, which is fine. However, how this actually becomes a problem is that you keep doing the mistake over and over and over and over again without actually fixing it. And this is what our program is designed for. We just look over every single video you do, tell you what's good and what's bad, what to change, how to make it better, and me and the team of experts we built is gonna just check everything. The products, the videos, the store, everything you need to have, we're gonna look over that and tell you what to change. And the process is very simple. Just make a sheet with all the products which fit our criteria. We look over that sheet, tell you which is good and which is bad. We pick the best ones. We go to the next step. We tell you what to change about your videos so they actually go viral. And then when they do go viral, you just make sure that they actually go viral for the right reasons, and you start converting views into sales. If you are interested in that program, click the link below, sign up for a call, and we're going to talk to you very soon.